Hi everybody, I'm Justin Caldwell with Caldwell Outdoor Equipment. I'm very excited to announce to you our open house sales event sponsored by Hustler here in our DeSoto, Missouri location. It is this weekend, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's April 25th, 26th, and 27th at 1914 North Main Street in DeSoto. In addition to the very best prices of the season on Hustler mowers, you will get a free 1-year warranty extension beyond the normal warranty on any new Hustler mower. And this is a Caldwell Equipment exclusive only. You won't find this deal at any other Hustler dealer this weekend. We want your zero-turn trade-in, so we're going to give you an additional $200 of value on any zero-turn traded in during the event. For the open house event, take our very best sale prices and subtract another $100 off of that price. That goes for all brands, Hustler, Ferris, Big Dog, and Spartan. And this discount can be combined with current rebates. For example, select X1 machines have a $500 rebate right now. So combine the $100 discount with the rebate and get an extra year warranty for free. So come on down to Caldwell Outdoor Equipment's open house sale event this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We look forward to seeing you.